Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a video about how to get this soft fall glam-ish look. Would you consider this glam? I would wear this on a day-to-day basis, but I don't know, I could just be crazy. I know it's been a while guys, so I'm really excited to be back today with this video. So if you want to learn how to get this makeup look right here, then just keep on watching, stay tuned, you know, do the thing. I missed you and I love you. So let's just jump right on into the video. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're just gonna jump right on in. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put on some BB cream. If you see me look in this direction, it's because that's where my mirror is, so don't freak out. The BB cream that I'm actually going to be using is this NYX one. It is the NYX Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil. And I got the shade, I believe this is True Beige Buff, which is a little bit dark for me, but they didn't have my actual shade in the store and I don't put that much up on anyways. So it ends up being like a really thin coverage and it just makes me look a little bit more tan. So please don't say anything about the color not matching my skin color because I know. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and I literally just like squeeze it straight onto my face. So I'm like, and then I take my Sonia Kashuk Beauty Sponge, which is this one right here, which is a little bit crusty, but it's fine. And it's wet today. And we're just gonna dab that all over my face. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with concealer. My Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fairlight Neutral, and we are just going to put that on the high points of my face, and then we're also going to leave my forehead and my eyebrows for now because I'm going to actually do my eyebrows and then carve them out with concealer. I'm just going to take this in a couple of the high points, so like right under my eyes, around my nose, and then my chin, and then a teeny bit right on top of my nose for right now. And we're going to blend that in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows real fast. So I am using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown. And we're just going to brush them out with a spoolie right quick. And then we're gonna go ahead, oh, that's a, I'm gonna pluck that out real fast. That's not good. And now we're just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I've started pulling them this way to kind of make it a little bit smoother. Start by drawing the line underneath. And the line on top for the tail end. Probably can't even see what I'm doing because it's on the wrong side. Now we're gonna carve those out with concealer. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this and then my little concealer brush right here. And I'm actually just gonna take it straight onto the brush and just kind of dab it in there. And we're gonna carve it out on the bottom just by dragging. And now we're going to actually put concealer on my forehead. Next on the list is going to be contour. So I'm going to use the same contour that I've always been using forever and ever. It is the Wet n Wild Make Glow Makeup Stick in, I believe, Call Me Maple. And we're just gonna do a teeny little bit because this is super dark. Complexion buffer from Eco Tools and just blow that out real fast. All right, now we're gonna do blush and highlight, which I know seems kind of backwards from what I usually do, but I actually got cream products, both from ColourPop. So this is the blush stick in Aloha. And usually fall makeup doesn't have a ton of blush, so I'm just going to do enough to make me look like I'm alive. And that's gonna be it. So I literally just like poke it on like that, and then I'll blend it out with my finger. And then I'll go in with the same thing but in a highlight stick. So this is the shade Earth, like Earth Cafe in California, if you know that at all. And I literally just C-shape right above my eyebrow and onto my cheekbone, dab it on my nose, down the stripe, Cupid's bow, and chin. And I'll tap that and blend it out as well. And it gives a really pretty sheen. And it blends so easy. Like, do you see that? It's so pretty. Now we're gonna go in and we're gonna use my setting powder. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. And I'm just gonna do like one teeny tap of it. And we're gonna put it on all the places that I put concealer. So the main one is right under my eyes, because those crease really bad for me, around my nose. Then I'll do my forehead, and then I'll actually take a smaller brush, an eyeshadow brush, and I'll swipe it on my lids and right under my brows to set the carving that we did. Ooh. And then whatever's left over, I'll just set the rest of my face with. All right, now on to the fun part. So I'm going to be using the ColourPop Yes Please eyeshadow palette. This is literally my favorite eyeshadow palette right now. I literally love it so much. It's a little bit bright for fall, but I'm going to actually be using this color right here. No, this one. Note to Self. It's a little bit more of a brown. And then I'm probably also going to be using Champs, and then potentially G&O as well, just to like carve out my crease and everything like that. So I'm going to take that same fluffy brush that I actually just used to set the rest of my eyelid, and I'm going to go in with Champs here and just kind of pat it on top in the crease area, and then kind of blend it down onto the lid, just as a little bit of a base that's not just the same color as my eyeball. Now we're going to go in with another fluffy eyeshadow brush. This one's a little bit more dense. And I'm actually gonna go in with this Note to Self down here, and I'm just gonna barely tap it. And we're gonna put it in the crease. All right, now we are going to go in with G&O right here, which is a little bit more orange, but I'm barely using like any of it. And I'm just gonna put that in the outer V right here. And then as a little bit of an inner corner highlight, I'm actually going to take this Urban Decay Afterglow palette, and I'm going to be using No Angel right here. And I'm just gonna actually take it on my finger. So I'm gonna take it on like my ring finger right here, and I'm just gonna tap it on the inside and kind of blend it on the inner corner and also on the inner corner of my actual lid. Now for the very underside of my lower lash line right here, I'm actually gonna go back in with Note to Self, this brown one right here. And we're gonna use that on the same fluffy brush that I actually used it on before. And we're gonna go right on my lower lash line. And then smoke it out a little bit, but not too much. Now I am going to put on mascara. This is Too Faced Better Than Sex. Y'all know the drill. Now, I'm gonna put lashes on. Today we are going to be using House of Lashes Boudoir Light. And then for the last thing I'm going to do is actually gonna be my lips right here. This is kind of more optional, I guess. If you guys don't want as dark of a look, then I would definitely go for a more nude lip and more of a natural colored lip. But I'm actually gonna go in with Ulta's matte lipstick in Sweet Caramel. Alright, that is it for this video today, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Before you guys go, I want to talk about something real fast, and that is the sponsor of this video. So it's actually sponsored by Rose Forever. So Rose Forever is a company that actually creates forever roses, and they are bouquets of roses that will actually last 1 to 3 years. So they sent me this hat box of roses right here. You can pick the size, you can pick the color, you can literally pick basically anything you want. They have a couple of different shapes. So this is the baby round bouquet in ivory. I picked ivory because I thought it would match my room and my aesthetic the best, but they have all sorts of colors. So you can literally do like blue if you wanted, you can do orange, you can do yellow, all these kinds of rose colors. And then you can also pick the size as well as the shape as well. So they have round and then square. And then you can also pick from baby, which I think has like 9 roses or something in it, at least for the round one. You can also go up to the small size and the large size. So it really depends on how big you want it to be. It'll tell you the dimensions on the website as well. But I think it's really cool. They're actually really soft as well. So they're like not crunchy. Like you can touch them and they're still like soft. They're not like dried roses or anything like that. Like they literally just sit in this hat box, which you can keep after they die as well. And they'll just like chill here for a year and be cute. I'm kind of obsessed with them. I will link their website in the description box below. And then if you guys want some, you can go there and check them out. I definitely recommend it. They're really cool. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go. And also follow me on Instagram to stay tuned on my giveaway. And also you're gonna have to enter the giveaway by following me on Instagram. So you might as well get ahead of the game now. I love you and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.